So hello guys, welcome back to this session to complete Python tutorials for beginners. My name is Devashish Mahapatra and you are watching Worldwide Programmer. Before starting the tutorials, to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Let's begin. So what is Python? Python is a high-level, interactive, interpreted, object-oriented, and a reliable programming language. Python is very easy to learn. It is an open source project. So if we talk about history of Python, then Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in early 90s. Python is older than Java, R language, and JavaScript. So why the name as like a Python? Guido van Rossum was a fan of a BBC comedy series called Monty Python's Flying Circus. He wanted a name that was short, unique, and so then he thought Python would be the perfect name for the new language. Okay, back to the session. These are the agenda of our course. First we will discuss about the installation of Python. We will install Python, then we'll install some IDEs for Python, then we'll discuss about data structures, flow control statements, object oriented programming, inheritance, NumPy, pandas, and matplotlib library. So these are the links to install Python and Python IDs. So after installation of Python, we need some IDs. So the best IDs for Python is one is PyCharm and another is Anaconda. So first we have to install Python and Python IDs. So open your Chrome browser and then just type this and you will redirect it to this page. You can see here a option called download Python 3.9.4. This is for Windows version. So just click on the download Python 3.9.4 and it will be automatically download. Then we'll need some IDs. The first ID is PyCharm. It's a popular ID for Python. We can see here a download option is there. Just click on the download button and you will be able to download it on your machine. Another ID is for Python is Anaconda. Just accept the cookies and then click on that get started button. You will see here the download button, download Anaconda installers. Just click on that button. You will see here there are three platforms are there for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. You can click on that 64-bit or 32-bit according to your OS. So after installation we will learn about variables. So we will discuss variables in our next section. So thanks for watching. Happy learning.